Hi guys, Ramon D3rd here and welcome to my channel. Just recently, naubusan kami ng face mask. Yan o, wala nang laman. And as you well know, mahirap maghanap ng face mask kahit online pahirapan. So I was thinking, why not make my own face mask? Continue watching and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own surgical face mask, do it yourself, handmade, without sewing machine. Here are the materials that we need. Unang-una, kailangan natin ng tela. So, dahil DIY to, maghanap tayo ng tela sa bahay. Pwedeng shorts, pwedeng t-shirts, or kahit anong yung mga lumang damit. So for this video, I'm gonna be using my old boxer shorts. Ayan. Kasi maganda yung prints. So, hanap kayo ng magandang prints din. So we're gonna be using this. See to it na ang tela niyo is cotton, yung hindi masyadong makapal. Second, of course, we need scissors. Gamit natin pang gunting ng tela or ng thread. Third, of course, we need rulers. Kahit isang ruler lang, okay na. Fourth, we need threads. So for this video, I'm gonna be using a lighter thread para mag-contrast siya sa fabric at makita nyo ang ginagawa ko. But if you're gonna be doing it and you want it nicely done, you want to hide the stitches kasi kakamay lang natin to, diba? Hindi masyadong straight yung mga stitches natin. You have to use almost a similar shade of color to that of your fabric. Next, we need, of course, a needle. So kung may malaki kayong needle, pwede din yon. Syempre, paano tayo magtatahi kung walang needle? We need a band paper. Itong band paper na to is for pattern. We will have to make our pattern first with the measurements before we cut our fabric. So, let's get started. Okay, ulitin lang po natin ang ating mga kailangan. We need needle or karayom. We also need elastic strings. So if you still have your previous mask, we need the strings from that. Or if you don't have it, you can use rubber band or any elastic garters. We also need paper. Here are our measurements. Okay, and we need ruler. One ruler will do, it's okay. We also need pen or pencils for writing our measurements. We need scissors, gunting, para to cut our thread or our tela. We also need threads. And lastly, we need our fabric or our tela. In this case, we are using my old boxer short. here are some other mask patterns which I've also done by hand stitch, and this one, as you can see, I've used rubber bands for the strings and it's quite effective. This one is also hand stitched and it's a different design from the other one, and if you can see, the strings I've used is the string from the used face mask. I've recycled it and used it here, and by the way, both of which are from our bed sheet. Ayan, pwede na kayong gumawa ng maraming mask. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button para ma-alert kayo every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching! See you in my next video. Bye!